Here's the question regarding your LinkedIn profile and courses and certifications. If I have a course that I got a certification for, do I add a course to my LinkedIn profile and or do I add the certification? Let me show you what this is all about, and then I'll give you my opinion of what you should do. Courses and certifications. I'm on my LinkedIn profile. I'm going to hit add a profile section. I'm going to go down here to recommended, and look, there is courses. Let me click on courses. This is all I get. I have 3 lines. I can give it a name, I can give it a number, and I can associate it with one of my roles, either prior or current roles. This is all I get, is these 3 lines. The name of the course, that's a required field, maybe the number of a course. Can I put words in there? Last version. Yeah, I can put words in there. That's all I got. Hey, let me show you certifications. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna duplicate this. I'm going to go to add a profile section, recommended, certifications and licenses. Look at my options. I have a name. I have an issuing organization, which can that be a company, IBM? Yes, I can tie it to a LinkedIn company page if I want to. All right, so I have name and issuing organization. I'll come back to that. I can say when did I get it, and I can say when it expires if I want, but I don't have to. I can have a credentialing ID number in the event that there's a credentialing solution or system out there that manages this. I can actually have the URL to the credential. And that URL could be a URL anywhere. It could be a URL to, a credential site. It could be to your website where you have, an image. It could be to Google Docs. It could be to Dropbox. Anywhere you want to drive the viewer to look at the actual credential document, which could be a document that you create. I'm not trying to tell you can create fake stuff. But the bottom line is I can send them to see something more substantial than simply me listing it here. Then I can associate skills with it. And even further than that, on a license and certification, I can have rich media. I can add rich media, images. Let's see, the different document types are, remind myself here, a PDF, a PTX, a Word doc, a JPEG, a PNG, a GIF. I can have a freaking GIF on here if I want to as rich media. So here's the question. Do I do a course? Or do I do a license and certification? Those are the questions. This is rich. This is pretty basic. Now, here's my recommendation. Do both. Because you don't know who your target audience is. You don't know what they're going to look for. Are they going to look for what courses you've taken? Or are they going to look for licenses and certifications? So I recommend do both. And use all of the fields to the best of your ability to present to your target audience what course you've taken and how you've grown. That would be much better than choosing one or the other. Use both. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist and advisor. I hope this is helpful for you. By the way, if you like these videos that I create for you all about using LinkedIn and Sales Navigator as a business tool, consider one of or both of these ideas. Number 1, go find my YouTube channel at TL Burriss, Riss. And at the very least, subscribe and ring the bell. Maybe you might want to join the private membership group where I give content to that group, private content on a regular basis. Or maybe go find my Quora space, masterlinkedin.quora.com. At the very least, follow that space. Again, you might want to also consider subscribing because I give rich content here before I put it anywhere else to help people master using LinkedIn as a business tool. Thank you very much.